Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. If you ask us which is our favorite part of the IROAD X10, hands down, it's gotta be the optional OBD X-Scanner. The IROAD OBD X-Scanner is a 2-in-1 power cable plus OBD II diagnostic scanner that plugs into the OBD II port of your car. And it does two things. First, just like the old IROAD OBD power cable, it powers your IROAD X10. The power cable part of the X-Scanner connects your dashcam directly to the car battery. This comes in handy when you've powered down your car, but need to run parking mode recording or parking surveillance, and you don't want to risk damaging the wiring of your car with a hardwire installation. And just in case you're wondering if this will drain your car battery, you can actually adjust the voltage and timer cutoff settings using the IROAD Viewer or IROAD smartphone app. What's the difference between the OBD power cable and this OBD X-Scanner? It's the built-in OBD II scanner. Out of the box, the X-Scanner is designed to function like the OBD power cable. But say you've downloaded the X-Scanner firmware and the database update, it will unlock the OBD menu in your IROAD Viewer and the IROAD smartphone app. So head on over to the IROAD OBD X-Scanner product page on the IROAD's website to download the OBD firmware and the latest database file. Then follow the steps provided to copy and paste the files directly onto your microSD card. Once that's done, put the microSD card back into your X10 dashcam and power up your vehicle and dashcam. The system will upgrade and reboot automatically. Be sure to keep the engine running until the upgrade is complete. You'll hear a voice prompt. And then afterwards, you'll find the OBD menu unlocked. You'll be asked to enter your vehicle's information, including the make, model, year, fuel type, and so forth. Note that you are only allowed to reset the settings 7 times. In other words, you can set the OBD settings to different vehicles up to 7 times. You may experience problems or malfunctions anything more than that. Right off the bat, the X-Scanner will give you information like the fuel level, engine coolant temperature, and battery voltage. Now say you take your car out for a drive. The X-Scanner doesn't stop collecting your car's OBD data just because you've started driving. In fact, it collects even more information about the drive. As you drive, the X-Scanner collects information on the mileage traveled and the number of rapid acceleration and deceleration. The X-Scanner takes these measurements and calculates a driving score. That's pretty cool. The X-Scanner also collects information on total driving distance and fuel consumption, and uses these measurements to calculate the average driving distance and average fuel consumption. Note that in some hybrid vehicles and vehicles that use both electric and gas, fuel economy information may differ from actual numbers. Last but not least, if you're driving an electric vehicle, you will see battery information instead of fuel data. On the IROAD smartphone app, all OBD data can be accessed from the OBD menu. But if you're viewing the footage on the IROAD Viewer on your desktop or laptop, you will find the OBD data right on the footage clip. Click on the check engine light icon to open the OBD panel. As you review the footage, you will see information such as gear position, brake and accelerator pad, turn signals, RPM, coolant temperature, and the steering angle. It's pretty cool. Unlike traditional OBD II scan tools, the IROAD OBD X-Scanner won't let you clear fault codes. In fact, it's more a telematics device than an actual OBD II scan tool. It offers information like DPF and battery voltage, but as you can see from the IROAD Viewer, it offers insights into driving behavior. Combined with the rapid acceleration and deceleration counts from the smartphone app, you can get a pretty informative account of your drive. Just like the OBD power cable, you won't be able to use the OBD X-Scanner with a battery pack. While the OBD power cable is compatible with both IROAD and Thinkware dashcams, the OBD X-Scanner can only be used with the IROAD X10. Finally, while the OBD power cable comes in 2 different versions, one for electric vehicles and other for non-electric or hybrid vehicles, there's only one version for the OBD X-Scanner. In other words, the same OBD X-Scanner works in both electric as well as non-electric or hybrid vehicles, But of course, the OBD data you get will be different. The IROAD OBD X-Scanner is compatible with all 1996 and newer OBD II compliant vehicles, with the exception of Porsche, Land Rover, and Jaguar vehicles, and offers limited functionalities on BMW vehicles. It also does not support 24-volt vehicles. If you have Mercedes Me Connect enabled in your Mercedes-Benz, you may get a Mercedes Me Connect service restriction alert. However, Mercedes Me Connect does not interfere with the OBD X-Scanner functionality. Both the IROAD OBD X-Scanner and the IROAD X10 will be available in the coming weeks. And that's it, folks. We hope you've enjoyed this IROAD OBD X-Scanner overview video. If there's any other IROAD X10 features that you want us to go over in greater detail, send us a comment below. And as always, if you have any questions or need more suggestions, you know where to find us. We're always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out to stay up to date with all the latest dashcam news and trends. Thanks for watching.